Love for the sake of Allah. Love is a part of the essence of Allah Himself. He is Al-Wadud, the loving. Al-Wadud means He who loves goodness for all creatures and is benevolent to them in every circumstance. When one's heart is filled with love for the divine, then he or she will naturally love whatever and whoever Allah loves. Love for the sake of Allah is loving everything that reflects divine qualities. Love people who stand for justice, because Allah is the most just. Love those who show mercy, because Allah is the most merciful. Love your families, because Allah loves for families to be together. Once we begin to understand who Allah is, we will begin to see His divine qualities reflected in the creation, and we will begin to love for His sake and love for others what we love for ourselves.